Hello everyone, welcome to Insight. This is Raz. Today I am going to talk about a health related topic which is very essential. Nowadays I am seeing people holding copper water bottle and keeping copper vessel in their home and drinking copperized water for the whole day. This is not at all a right practice. First of all, I tell you the physical things, facts about the physical body, and then the procedure, right procedure, how to drink the copperized water. Okay, and then what are the benefits and consequences if you're doing the wrong practices. Okay, in this way I just going to tell in this video. First I just start up with our physical body. See, our physical body is very sophisticated and it made up of with vitamins, minerals and amino acids, etc. We have to consume food in a balanced way. Instead of that, nowadays people taking a lot of junks. Okay, so I am not going to talk about that. Okay, so if we taking copperized water for the whole day, okay, it will increase the copper level in our body. Increasing of copper level in our body, it reduce the zinc level in our body. If the zinc level get reduced means one of the important part will get one of the important our physical part will get affected, which is liver. This is very essential, and if liver has some problem means physical body will get lot of troubles. Okay, so how to drink this copperized water? So there is a procedure prescribed in the Ayurvedic. Okay, I tell you that. So you just take a copper vessel and keep the water for 8 to 10 hours. If you just keep the water before bed, going to bed, you just keep that water, then obviously you'll get the 8 to 10 hours window, you will get it. Okay, so morning first thing you have to drink 1 liter of water on empty stomach. Okay, and not supposed to drink anything after that, after 1 hour. Okay, like coffee, tea, health drink, energy drink, whatever, not supposed to drink after 1 hour. Okay, and after that you have to take regular waters like hot water, normal water, whatever it is, as you wish you want, you can drink it, but not drink this copperized water throughout the day. Okay, 1 liter in the morning on empty stomach. This is the procedure which prescribed in the Ayurvedic text. Okay, so what it do if you drink like this, what it do in our body? I tell you that first thing, it cleanse your blood, the toxic level will reduced, and second thing, increase your immune system, and the third one is it's a very good remedy for obesity problem and preventive for cancer, not cure, preventive for cancer, since it has antioxidant. Okay, in these are the benefits I am telling. So, and I already told the consequences. Liver get problem because of reducing zinc. Apart from this, on a daily basis we consume lot of food. In the food itself, it contains lot of minerals like iron, vitamins, so many things, even zinc and copper as well. So already we are consuming a little amount of copper in our body on a daily basis. Adding to that, drinking this water. Okay, but drinking the throughout the day means it will get increase the copper level in our body. Okay, according to WHO, World Health Organization, prescribed the level of copper for human, male or female, for both genders 18 plus, should take 900 milligrams of copper on a daily basis. That's the sufficient level. That's the advisable thing, advisable level. Okay, so if we take more than that, it will create a lot of complications. If people have copper deficiency, those people can consume more copper. Until otherwise, we are not supposed to consume too much of copper. Okay, so this is a thing I just want to share with you. So what are the information if you're getting from social media or your friends, you just do some basic research on that and analyze it and then find the facts and then you follow it. Okay, so don't go blindly and initiate the practice. Okay, so this is the thing I just want to share with you. If you really like this video, please share with your friends, and I hope you support me, and I love you all. Good day.